Hey guys, today I'm going to show you what behind the scenes of a photo shoot is like.
Hi guys! So now I have to do the car shot where you can see my full face in proper lighting. Don't worry, I'm working on getting lighting for my vanity, so sometime soon I'll have proper lighting in my vanity. But for now, we'll take it to the core. I feel it pretty. Hey, say hi guy.
Hi.
So we are off to Wildflower Park where we are going to have our photo shoot, and I'm really excited, and I'm meeting Chanel and the photographer down there, so I'll take you guys along with that. Hi guys, so this is Chanel aka Nelly B. And we are just a ball of smiles, and we're very excited because we are finally doing this. We are going to have her photo shoot featuring Stitched Sneaks today.
Yep.
And we are at Wildflower Park, and we are just going to have so much fun. So I'm just going to take you guys along so you can see all the shenanigans and all the fun that we're going to have.
Do note,
Yes.
I'm not a fashion blogger. I've never been a fashion blogger. I probably won't ever be a fashion blogger. So just be
But
prepared.
she's going to rock it anyway, and guys, look out. Rude. Look out for when the blog post is out with all of this. It's going to be so awesome.
Yep.
Time to get changed.
Yep. You have names for all of them, Jess?
Yes, I do.
Okay, good. What I want you to do is send me
Sure.
a write-up of like the names, any specific meaning behind it.
Okay.
So I can talk about that a little bit, and then because what happened, I just wanted to showcase the shoe originally, but then I'm like, let me show people how I pair them up.
Nice.
So somebody be like, okay, I'll buy it, and then what?
Yeah.
Nice. If you want to do anything else, now is the time. Right. Alright, and just hold it forward. Both hands? No, underneath. Yeah, it's ready to go. Okay. And that is it. I need a very scandalous laugh.
Wasn't me.
Yes, I think I get it.
Yeah.
Lols.
Yep, that's it. That's what
What is
we're
it,
doing.
man? That could work. No?
Actually, I like this one. And that was also for girls. That was also for girls.
I like that one actually.
Yeah. This one too. Move.
Just zoom in and looking at it. Nice. Can we say Isara?
Huh?
You have more?
Isaroti.
Yeah, that. What she said.
I'm getting
You get what you?
I'm so done with you. I'm ready. Good luck, sir. Good luck.
I'm used to the puns.
Oh Lord. Guys, this was so much
That
fun.
is something Jason would say though, and I'm just like, my God.
So Chanel and Mark, this is the end of it all.
Yep.
And this was so awesome, and I'm looking forward to seeing these pictures. I'm looking forward to seeing the blog post, and thank you so much for deciding to feature me. And thank you for shooting.
Of course.
But
Alright guys, so that is officially a wrap. We have been able to shoot all of this stuff, and she looks gorgeous. Check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out. I just want to say thank you so much to Nelly B for this. I appreciate it very much.
It has been fun.
It indeed has been fun. And guys, look forward for more collaborations from us in the future, because she's my friend now.
She's stuck with me.
I'm stuck and I like it. Janelle, thank you so much.
It's been fun, girl.
It really
It's been
has.
fun. So y'all take care now. Bye. Bye.